welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over the DiGiorno Pepperoni crispy and caramelized crispy pan crust pizza, everybody. Okay, now listen to this. We're not being sponsored by DiGiorno, okay? But I'm going to tell you right now why we got this. This was at the grocery outlet. If you saw our grocery outlet videos, we go shop in there sometimes to find some good deals, okay? This was not too bad, okay? I think it was like about $4.99 for this pan pizza right here. It might have been $3.99, but it's nice and big. I like a deep crust pizza anyway. I love pan pizzas. So we're going to give it a try. We love DiGiorno anyway. The small little happy little slices that we get, one little slice or whatever, that round circle personal. What's that? It's a mini pizza, grandmother. Okay, yeah. So you like that when you go to work, you pop that in the microwave. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so anyway, we're not being sponsored by DiGiorno. Okay, DiGiorno. Grandmother is DiGiorno. I know, DiGiorno. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna jazz it up a little bit, okay? It already has pepperonis on there. Spread it out, nice little pepperonis here. But what we're gonna do is take all the pepperonis off, and we're gonna add our own pop of flavors to this pizza, okay? Now we have game day. We're not gonna go out and order a pizza. We said, you know what? Let's go to use the one that we bought, and let's see how that is, okay? So we're gonna take all this pepperoni off of this, and we're gonna add our more. We're gonna add on more cheeses, okay? Cheese, grandmother? Yeah, cheeses. And so we just got some mozzarella cheese here, okay? Mozzarella cheese, and we also got some Mexican style blend cheese as well. We're gonna make this nice and cheesy, and we're gonna add some red onion to this, everybody, okay? Red onions coming on to this as well. All right, so hold on. Now that the pepperonis are off, we put them to the side, everybody, okay? So now we're going to add some red onions on here. We're going to make it perfection, everybody. It's going to have so much flavor on this pizza, okay? It's not going to be just a regular pepperoni pizza. You can do this for a party if the kids are having like a slumber party or whatever it may be, or just a get together. You just want to whip something up. It won't taste so, frozen, like a frozen pizza. Frozen pizza, some people cringe over, but they really got some really nice flavors. But I love this brand actually because it always tastes close to a professional pizza. That's why we always eat this one in our household. Okay, now after we added the red onions, we're going to add in garlic. We're going to add in some minced garlic, everybody. Now, we love garlic in our household. We eat garlic mostly on a lot of things. We're going to spread this throughout the pizza. And it's so good, especially it's healthy for you. And it kind of keeps mosquito bites from biting you and stuff like that because they don't like garlic in the pores. I guess they like little vampires or something. You always used to say that, grandmother. Exactly. These are some nice little home remedies that you can do to actually have that you can, use from your kitchen that can help with some of these things. And kind of healthy too, on the healthy side as well. Garlic is really good for you. Okay, so we're going to spread this out. Then we're going to add our no salt seasoning. Now we love adding our no salt seasoning to a lot of things in the household in our family here because we love our flavors to be throughout, and we're trying to get it on the website and up and popping and everything perfectly for the holidays, but I don't think we're gonna make it, but that's okay. No salt seasoning, Mama Soul Kitchen, MSK, no salt seasoning. We put a lot of that on here because we love that, okay? Now, we're going to add in some onion powder, onion powder. We'll put that throughout as well. It doesn't matter how much it is. It doesn't have salt, you guys. So we're going to add flavor to this pizza. We're going to bam this up. Just a tad bit of some Lawry's garlic salt. Just a little bit, not much, everybody. Because you remember the pepperoni is going to have salt in that, so we want to make sure not too overly salty, right? We're gonna watch that. And if you don't need to have that because your salt intake, don't add it, you guys. It's up to you guys. We're just showing you guys how to do this, okay? Now that we added in all our pieces that we want in this pizza, we're gonna put the pepperonis back on there. We're gonna spread them on out, and now we're gonna add our cheese. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's go and add the first layer of cheese. So we're going to go ahead and add the 5 cheese blend first. So we'll do that now. So So we're going to add 5 cheeses on their part right here. We're going to put the mozzarella on top after we put our pepperonis on. Okay, we're going to add that on top of that. You know what? We're going to change that again. We're going to do this again. So we're going to add extra cheese. Okay, so we're going to add the cheese on here. And we're going to put the mozzarella on top of this part. Add the mozzarella, the mozzarella, the mozzarella. On there. Like that. Now we're going to add the pepperonis on top of that. There we go. We'll put it up here. And we'll put it over here. And we'll spread it all throughout. Now look at that, everybody. See that? And now we're going to bake it under 400 degrees for 22 minutes. But we're going to check it at 20 minutes, everybody. We don't want it to be dried out and crispy too hard. So we're going to check it out. So set that back in 20 minutes. Be right back.
All right, everybody, here we go. It's all done. It's all perfect. There's so much flavors going throughout. You know, this is really not bad for a frozen pizza. I'm very picky about frozen pizzas, but this one's pretty good. Yeah, I give it about get about 7.5, 8. Yeah, I say about 7.5. That's good. Yeah. So we'd like to also thank Rita Gales for following us on our YouTube channel. We have a lot room for more. Make sure you guys come over and subscribe.